talking about.
Money work.
What's good? Mike is in the building. We're currently out here in Queens, guys. And we're heading out to Manhattan. And I have to kind of include you into this one, because this is one of my favorite bridges to hit up, especially when I'm on a hyper. The bike just echoes nicely through the Queens Bridge. We're about to hit that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And it's a must that you hit that thumbs up, all right? Because it helps us with the algorithm. I have been away, and in order to get the channel back up and running at full speed, we're gonna need to ride that algorithm wave, and the only way of doing that is to hit that thumbs up. I didn't realize how much I miss riding this bike until I got on it. It's been sitting there collecting dust, and it's an absolute like madness. It snarls, it snaps, it crackles, it pops. Can slide the back out. The bike is very, very raw. I'm just out here making noise. If you got one budget and you need a commuter bike, this is the bike you got to get. Nothing else. You know, it's just tons of power. Tons of police also over there. Oh, are they arresting somebody? Hold on. No, doesn't look like it. Whew. Tons of power. It's gonna get you from A to B so fast, of course. And it's so much fun. I mean, a Monster would be a great bike too, but this is, I don't know, man. The fun factor on this bike is very, very high. The only downside is you need to be a tall person, man. I mean, if you're a short guy, you have a short inseam, this bike might be very, very challenging for you. But, you know, there's little ways around, little tips and tricks on how you can ride it. But I think it's a design thing, me personally, because very, very few to very little people can actually flat foot this motorcycle comfortably and enjoy it. And this is what I love about this bike. You see how it's just like, and again, that exhaust I'm rocking, this is the SE Project. You can grab one in the link down below, guys, from motivationusa.com, of course. Great bike, fun bike, very exciting. It can scare you. It's a very very raw bike, really. I think it's the last bike with the nannies, to be honest. Yeah, I had to retrain my brain that I am on a different bike. I'm on the Hyper. I've slid the back out a couple of times, just basically revving the shit out of it, you know what I mean? All right, here we go, guys. This is what I was talking about. I love this bridge. Hopefully it's not busy tonight. Yeah, boy, that's what I'm talking about. This is all what this video is about. Just getting to this bridge, guys. I love it. Wait, let's get some downshifts in. And not to mention that New York view, though, is really solid, you know what I mean? And it echoes right in this place like, man, let's... Woo! Gets the heart racing hard. Smash that thumbs up, man, for that Queens Bridge run. I love it. Always do it. Oh, man. Let's get some downshifts in. I absolutely love powering through this bridge. It's freaking bananas. Hear that? Hear that? Hear that? Hear that? Oh, so good. So good. So good. I mean, come on. Just hitting up this bridge is an experience in itself. If you're in the New York area, let me know if you've ever hit this bridge and if it's as exciting to you as it is to me. And they're making some sweet love over there, boy. Let me know, man. If you're from New York, you've hit this bridge hard. Let me know, because I'm curious. Because if I'm the only one that gets this excited when I hit the Queens Bridge, I think it's the sound sounds crazy. Oh my God, it feels so good, man. Let's pull up behind Mr. Fly E-Bike here. Oh, we have the S1000 coming through. Where you headed?
What is it?
Where you heading?
I'm just going to a friend's house.
What?
A friend's house.
You what?
I'm going to a friend's house.
Oh, you're going to a friend's house?
Yeah.
Alright.
What about you?
I'm just roaming around, man. Chilling. Yeah.
You good?
Huh? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up. Again, it's very important we hit that algorithm. We get the channel back to where it needs to be. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below. Hit new subscriber. Comment new subscriber down below. And again, I'm going to keep on pushing these videos. Keep pushing the limits. Keep producing these videos. You know, dropping the heat as much as I can. Because you guys know I'm extremely passionate about doing these videos. It's not just a... Come on, dude. You kidding me? Oh, you hear that? Snap, crackle, and pop. That's what it feels like. There we go. This bike is the basically city killer. New York City killer. Whatever city you live in, use it and destroy it. Woo. Should I just pissed him off? Just rev it. Oh man, oh, they're totally cops. It's a good thing that I just pissed them off.